Welcome back to Daytime Live. We're still buzzing. Paternity leave will pay for fathers of newborns in the public sector and adoption leave for parents adopting and bringing a new child into the home. This is now in effect. Now, these leave entitlements for the public sector workers took effect on January 1. Both categories will be entitled to 20 working days leave with pay. The increase of paid maternity leave from 40 days to a period of 60 working days with pay is also now in effect.
The changes are the result of the current public sector compensation review, which is intended to overhaul the structure of salaries and other compensations in the public service. Minister of Finance and the Public Service, the Honorable Nigel Clark, had announced the changes in July 2022, which are being facilitated by updating the public sector staff orders of 2004.
Nice, nice. I like that. I'm happy about that.
Yeah. But more.
What?
I know some have questions.
Yeah, but it's a glimmer of hope.
So for every child the woman has, right, she'll get maternity leave of 60 days.
Yeah.
Good. So if you're a father, you're the proven father of maybe multiple children in the same year. Me just want to know if me get a one child born in January, so me get 20 days. Suppose me have somebody I was born like in February.
Supposed to.
Then me get the 2020 days, sir.
Supposed to.
So suppose me, like, me not call no name, but me just throw a name out of an artist out there, like Elephant Man. just randomly.
Yeah.
And have, many children.
Yeah, many.
I am just saying, like, me get a 20 day for every child.
Supposed to.
So man not gonna work for the whole year.
And rightfully so. It's a glimmer of hope.
So hold a second. It's 20 days.
Yeah, exactly.
No, 20 days, 20 working days.
Yeah.
Leave with pay. That is a month.
Almost.
No,
minus.
Yeah.